I'm pretty sure that it has happened to you that you forgot your password and you wanted to log in on a new device and you didn't remember your password and you didn't even want to change that password, but there was no way to find out what the password was to begin with. In this video, I'm going to show you some ways that kind of you can remember your password. From this menu, you want to tap on Account Center. And here you have this option called password and security. If I tap on that, the first option is change password. And if I choose my account, as you can see, it tells me the last time I updated my password was, for example, January 25th, 2026. So that could help you remember your password. But if that doesn't work, there's still one more thing you can do. You can head over to your browser and search for Instagram.com. Here, if I tap on Open Instagram, it will redirect me to the app. That's not what I want. I want to tap down here on Log In. And here, when I want to fill in my username and password, my phone will automatically want to refill it for me. So I'm just going to tap on Use Password. And here, if I tap on this little eye icon, I will be able to see my password. After you remember your password, in order not to forget it one more time, there's one thing you want to do. You want to head over to Settings again. You want to tap on Account Center. You want to tap on Password and Security. And here it says Saved Login. So if I tap on that, and choose the account that I want to and make sure this is toggled on. It saves my login info. So next time I want to log into my account on the same device, I don't really need to remember my password. It will be filled in for me automatically. I hope this helps and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.